Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a more laid back type of video. It's going to be I guess you can call it challenge, I don't really know. But I'm just going to be mixing all my foundations together today because I've seen a lot of videos on the internet and I thought that it looked kind of fun. So I was like, why not do it? I don't know the exact person who started this challenge, but I will try to figure that out and put that in the description. But if you do know, please tag them down below and show them some love in the comments. And yeah, we're just gonna start the challenge thing. I don't have that many foundations, but I do have, I think 11 is what I counted. And this is only like liquid foundations because I have like sticks and stuff, but I didn't want to like scrape those off. So anyway, enough rambling. Let's get on to this. So it is all together in this bowl right now, and I'm just going to start mixing it. I might be just a tiny bit worried about the color, just because I have so many different colors. That's okay, that's okay. Also, it smells of paint so bad. So now it's all mixed. The color doesn't look too bad, but we're just gonna spread it on my face and see how this goes. I probably put on too much, but you know, that's okay. We learn from our mistakes. I'm gonna try and buff it out with a brush first. This is the Makeup Revolution brush. I don't think the color's too bad. The Urban Decay All Nighter foundation, which is like super full coverage on me. That's mixed in here with a bunch of other full coverage. I'm kind of scared. It feels kind of greasy on my skin. I don't know if that's just because it's so like much foundation and so liquidy or something. It feels like this is never going to set into my skin. Like, well, I was right on the coverage. It is definitely full coverage. Probably can't tell, but it looks very cakey between my eyebrows. That was fun. That was fun. Okay, I'm going to take my sponge and I'm just going to like press that in even more. It's on and I don't hate it. I don't hate it, but it's definitely very, very full coverage. Yeah, it does. It did look a little cakey until I used my beauty blender. It doesn't look awful now, but it does look a little heavy on my skin. But I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup and then come back and tell you guys how I feel about it. Alright guys, so here is the finished product. Everything went on fairly easy and I don't think it actually looks bad for mixing so many foundations together. It did look a little cakey in the beginning, but it doesn't look that bad now, and after setting spray it looks even better. So I'm really actually excited about that. It was cool. If you guys haven't tried this, I would say go for it. It was really fun and interesting to see how all your foundations mix together and how they either do or don't look like horrible on your skin. I'm actually really surprised. I think it looks pretty good for doing all that. So anyway, yeah guys, tell me what you think about this video down below. Tell me if you've tried this or not, and yeah, anything else. And I hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll see you guys on Friday. Yeah, bye guys.